Very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back in series of lectures, Building, Planning and Design. In last lecture, we have discussed about the significance of sun diagram. Then after that, wind flow direction and about orientation. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the dimensions and space requirement in relation to body measurements. Then after that, space design for passage between walls, service access, stairs, ramps, and elevators. Okay. Uh, so firstly, we will discuss about the dimensions and space requirements. Okay. So here, whatever dimensions of body and which characteristics are there. Okay. As per the National Building Code, here we are going to consider average man and woman. Okay, average height of man and woman we are going to consider here, and according to that, it's a height when uh, person or when that man or woman is in standing position or is in sitting position. Okay, so whatever body postures are there, so uh, or whatever body dimensions are there are very useful uh, at the time of doing planning, maybe public building or maybe residential building, because of for sitting purpose how much space is required, then for standing purpose how much space is required, then for working purpose. Okay, means to provide the access to the different rooms. Generally we are going to provide passages, corridors and lobbies and all those things. Okay, then how to decide those things, or how to decide the required spaces for these things. So it is a very important part, as well as uh, uh, whenever we are performing any kind of function in the building or in various units. Okay, those units are made or meant for to performing the various functions and all those things, or to perform the various activities. According to that, whatever at the time of performing the activities, means some things are there, we have to place at a particular position or where to place it. Okay, according to the body dimensions we have to place each and everything precisely. Okay, so we will be able to uh, perform that particular activity uh, without any difficulty, or within a time, or without any loss of time also. Okay, so here generally we are going to consider here whatever dimensions we are considering here for average man and average woman. Okay, firstly, we are going to discuss when man and woman is at a standing position. Okay, whatever uh, his height is there. Okay, it is 1850 will be there. Okay, here we are going to consider all the dimensions in a Okay, average height of a man is 1850 and average height of woman is 1700 okay, 1700 why these things are required? Okay, because of to provide the minimum floor to floor clearance. Okay, means for living without disturbance or obstructions. Okay, or without to getting safety, as well as to avoid the accident. For that, we have to decide the some floor to floor height distance. Okay, so to decide that we should know it. Then after that, minimum height of doors frame. Okay, generally we are using doors for horizontal circulation purpose. So while entering into the room through the door frame and all those things, to avoid the accidents, okay, we have to provide minimum height to the door frame by considering the standard things, okay. Then minimum distance of overhead obstructions from floor, okay, means whatever we are going to plan, मे बी लॉफ्ट अँड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. लॉफ्ट म्हणजे काय, आपला माळा वगैरे असतोय बघा, तो किती हाईटवरती ठेवायला पाहिजे, किंवा वरती कुठला तरी एखादं आपण फॅन वगैरे असेल त्याचं, त्याची जी काय हाईट आहे ती किती हाईटला ठेवायला पाहिजे हे याच्यावरून डिसाईड होते, ओके. Then after that, next thing is there, eye height, okay, or we can say eye level when they are at a standing position. So whatever eye height is there for of a common or average men, uh, 1750 mm will be there, okay. And eye height or eye level of a woman is 1600 mm is there, okay. uh, these things are required because of height of visual device, including toys, medals, mementos, transom, notices, etc. Means whenever we are uh, performing anything, or suppose you are in college and you are near to the notice board, okay, here we have to uh, locate that notice board, what should be its height. Then after that, in a different rooms, or in a different uh, units of the house, or any public building, whatever mementos are there, or whatever medals are there, or whatever toys are there, where we have to uh, position it or locate it, okay. So to decide it, we should know the average eye height of men and women, okay, when they are in a standing position. Then after that, establishing sight line in theaters, auditoriums, conference rooms, and placement of a signboard, okay. Also it will be applicable in auditoriums, whatever recreation rooms are there, or recreation buildings are there. In those buildings, this is a very important part, okay. Then after that, shoulder height, okay, uh, of a man, shoulder height is 1550 mm, and shoulder height of women is 1450 mm, okay. Height for maximum forward reach, okay. For that purpose, shoulder height is required, okay. Then hand, okay, ankle height, okay. So for of average man, height of hand is at 800 mm from the floor, and here of average woman is 750 mm. Maximum height of grasp points for lifting, okay, or something when we have to lift it, okay. Then uh, from a surface, whenever we have to lift it, so to decide the level of that surface, we should know uh, up to what point or up to what depth our hand reaches, okay. Then after that, reach upward, okay. It is 2000 mm for average man, and 1900 mm for women, okay. So maximum height of control ceiling fan and ceiling should be above the reach upward, okay. Means whenever we are uh, uh, whenever we are raising our hands vertically upward direction, okay, then the whatever maximum height is there of a average man is a 2000 mm, and average woman is a 1900 mm. So to avoid the accident, means to fixing the uh, position of the ceiling fan, okay, it is necessary ज्यावेळेस आपण आळस वगैरे देतोय बघा, जर काही समजा आळस वगैरे आला असेल किंवा कधी कधी आपण हात वरती करून असे बसतोय वगैरे उभा राहतोय, तर त्यावेळेस आपला हात जो आहे तो आपल्या फॅनला वगैरे कुठल्या किंवा ऑब्स्ट्रक्शनला कुठल्याही टच होता कामा नये. तर मग ते जे ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत किंवा फॅन्स आहेत त्याची पोझिशन जी आहे ती आपल्याला फिक्सअप करण्यासाठी या गोष्टी रिक्वायर्ड आहेत. ओके. देन elbow height will be at 750 mm of average man and 700 mm of average woman. So here it is required for establishing comfortable heights for work counters, kitchen counter, workbench, and other works. Okay, here means to decide the various platforms whenever performing any activity. Means suppose if we are going to consider kitchen room, in a kitchen room kitchen mota is required, then to decide its height. Okay, that thing is required, so we have to think about it whenever we are doing planning. Okay. Then next thing is there, that is when uh, uh, average man and woman is in a sitting position, then it's a whatever height is there. Okay, height above seat level, it will be 950 mm uh, for average men and 900 mm for average women. So to getting idea to provide the minimum seat to roof clearance, means uh, to decide the roof clearance. Okay, for that purpose it is required. Then after that eye height above seat level for common man is 800 mm, and for common women or average women is 750 mm. Height of visual devices above seat level, fixing height of a TV platform. Okay, means whenever we are trying to fix the TV to the wall or to the uh, on the table. Okay, so we have to fix it at eye level. Okay, whenever a common man is sitting at uh, sitting in a chair. Okay, then whatever his or her eye level is there, to that level we have to provide or we have to fix the center position or center line of that TV or whatever devices are there. Okay, such devices are there. As well as whenever we are dealing with auditoriums and as well as cinema theaters and all those things. Okay, then to decide the level difference in between two successive rows, that thing is required. ज्यावेळेस आपण ऑडिटोरियमचा किंवा सिनेमा थिएटरचा विचार करतोय, तर आपल्याला काही समोरचं जे काही पिक्चर जे स्क्रीन जे आहे ते क्लिअरली फुल स्क्रीन दिसायला पाहिजे. त्यासाठी जे काही दोन सक्सेसिव्ह रो आहेत त्याच्यामधलं जे काही व्हर्टिकल लेवल डिफरन्स आहे ते डिसाईड करण्यासाठी याचा उपयोग होतोय. ओके. देन आफ्टर दॅट टॉप ऑफ नीज, height above floor, it is at 600 mm for average men, and for average women it is 550 mm above the floor level. Okay, so fixing height of European commodes. Okay, means whatever water closets are there, in water closets whatever pots we are fixing. Okay, it's to decide its height and all those things, we should know the top surface or top level of the knees above the floor level. So some these are the some standard things are there. You should know it uh, whenever you are doing planning. Okay. Also here some uh, figures are shown. Okay. Anthropometric study. In this, average dimensions of adult male, and here average dimensions